Scarcity is a fundamental concept in economics that explains why we cannot have everything we want. At its core, scarcity simply means that the resources available to satisfy our unlimited human wants are finite. Because our resources are not infinite, every choice we make carries an invisible price tag. These constraints force individuals and governments to decide how to allocate what is available most efficiently. It is important to distinguish between a permanent state of scarcity and a temporary market shortage. Economics is essentially the study of how we distribute these scarce resources to meet our competing needs. When you choose one path, you are effectively giving up the benefits of the next best alternative. Understanding scarcity helps you make better long-term decisions with your money. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more basics.